Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, here to share with you our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box. Each month, we come up with a different theme in order to make having a natural home easy. And this month, we're bringing in spring with some spring cleaning. So many of the products that we use to clean are filled with nasty chemicals. That's why this month we're making it easy to replace them with natural recipes. This month we'll be making laundry detergent, dishwasher detergent, surface cleaner, foaming hand soap, and more, all to make your home more natural. Let's look at what's in this box. This month, along with your 6 different recipes and labels, you're going to get 4 ounces of Castile soap, a natural soap product, an aluminum spray bottle, and 4 essential oils. First essential oil is our BEGONE blend. This blend was formulated to help take care of body odor, but we're going to be using it to help clean up bacteria around our house. Next up is lemon essential oil. This oil is great for cleaning and has a bright citrus scent that will make your home smell great. Next up is tea tree. This oil is famous for its cleaning powers and will also help treat acne and has many other amazing uses. Our last essential oil is nutmeg. Nutmeg blends really well with these other essential oils and helps eliminate toxins from your home. You get all this for $39, but wait, there's more! When you subscribe to our essential oil recipe box, we also send you our big bonus box. This bonus box is filled with natural ingredients to bring your recipes to the next level, like beeswax, fractionated coconut oil, and more. So subscribe today to make your home more natural. And don't wait, last month our box sold out. So hurry up and sign up and get yours today to make your home more natural.